Friends, hi friends, I had been to a marriage, one of my friends' marriage. There I saw something different which I want to share with you people. Actually, it was a depiction of a doll, a typical South Indian family marriage, especially the rituals which are followed in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. And these were all stuffed dolls which were prepared, lovely dolls were assembled in different sequence. The same sequence of marriage which will occur in a normal South Indian marriage. Please enjoy and you will know different stages of marriage of each South Indian rituals. It starts from girl meeting boy, then engagement, then they'll have a ritual bath, then they'll have puja in a temple, then they'll have other rituals. Now it will lead to marriage, and next they will welcome, they will have a ritual at home, they make a puja at home for having got a engaged boy or girl, then they will have puja. After puja, the marriage ritual starts. Like there will be haldi and other rasam. And now marriage, they will welcome boy side, and there will be a marriage red ceremony. The girl is performing Gauri Puja, and then there will be a Kashi Yatra where the boy is going out for Kashi, and there is Antarapata where boys and girls are in between. There will be a screen which bifurcates them, and this is a very main sequence of marriage. After this ritual, there will be a Kanyadana where the girl is handed over to boy by father of girl, and then Mangalya Dharana where the tying of Mangalya to girl by boy, and then Laja Homa, a Homa, and followed by Saptapadi, 7 steps, and then Spinahane is another ritual where there will be a salt element, and then other rituals where they go around the fire. That is called, and then husband and wife, newly wedded husband and wife, they enjoy in a single lantern lit, they eat food, and they will send the girl to boy's house, his hendu Sodu, and finally Tirupravesha, where the girl enters the boy's house on a very auspicious occasion. This is a very auspicious occasion where he enters the boy's house. After that, there will be a Satyanarayana Puja at boy's house where all the people are invited. That is the end of the ceremony.